Ready to upgrade to your new Android device? Follow these simple steps to safely transfer your photos, messages, and more so you can pick up right where you left off. Here's what you'll need: both your Android device and iPhone on hand and fully charged, your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi or your data network, your iPhone charging cable. Using a cable is best, but if you don't have one, download the Android Switch app. Ready? Here we go! To get started, turn on your Android device. Remember, you can pause the video at any time if you'd like. Choose to set up your device with an iPhone and connect to Wi-Fi or a data network. Then sign in to your Google account. Your Google account is your key to the ecosystem. Without one, you won't be able to transfer apps, calendar events, notes, or WhatsApp data. Continue through the on-screen instructions until you're prompted to connect the devices with your cable. Once connected, choose which apps and data you want to transfer to your new Android device from your old iPhone. If you choose to transfer WhatsApp data, you may see additional instructions. Now, sit back. Your protected and secure transfer has safely begun. Once the transfer is finished, a completion screen will confirm that you're all set. Lastly, so you don't miss out on any messages, go into your iPhone's settings, click on Apps, tap Messages, and switch iMessage off. Enjoy your new Android device. To learn more, visit android.com/switch.